If you have a third generation Toyota RAV4 and you've got some rattling every once in a while, it could be one of your heat shields. And for me, it was the exhaust manifold heat shield. It's an easy fix that you could do on your own and save a ton of money. We're going to do it right now. This fix is for the third generation Toyota RAV4, but it also applies to pretty much anything of the same years using the 2AR FE 4-cylinder, the 2.5 engine. So that's your RAV4, your Camry, your Avalon, and even your Scion TC. Now, it's not uncommon for these things to fail, especially when these cars can do 300,000 miles. Everything else around it is working, but this starts to get rusty. And that's what happens. Wherever it mounts, whether it's mounting to a part of your exhaust or a part of your vehicle, the mounting locations rust out. As you can see here, it's not connected, it's flimsy, and that's what makes the rattle. The fix here is really easy. The first step is removing this hood latch. There's three 10mm bolts to hold that in. Remove those and set this entire thing to the side. Try not putting it on top of the battery. That way you don't risk arcing on that positive post. After that, there's four 12mm bolts to hold this shield in place. I like breaking them free first with a ratchet. I get some leverage. And then I use this small ratcheting box wrench. I find it to be faster doing it this way. Once those bolts are disconnected, you can slide this shield straight up and out of the way. Now that fourth bolt I didn't take out, obviously, because it's going to be stuck in there. However, and in my case, it was a problem. So I'm going to have to remove these with an extractor. Hopefully in your case it's easier. If you need a set of these, I'll put a link to them below. It's essential for doing any kind of work on a car. In my case here, that thing was so rusted, I need to use this. And the way this works is you tap it onto the bolt itself. Then you use a wrench, or if you can fit in there, a ratchet to slowly torque that bolt out. I'll put a link to a replacement shield below. This is the correct part number. But I'm all about saving money. So what I did was take a trip down to my local junkyard, found a shield that was a good enough shape, brought it home, hit it quickly with the sandblaster, painted it with the appropriate paint. Looks good as new. This cost me $10. Now we're just going to reassemble in the reverse order. Slide this carefully back down into place, reassemble it with those four bolts. Get them all started by hand, and then tighten them down with the ratchet. Now the bolt I took out did get marred up because the extractor is going to chew it up as it comes out, but it's still usable to go in, so I'm going to reuse that bolt. There is a torque setting for these. I'm not sure of it, but just get them nice and snug and they'll work fine. I will be sourcing a replacement 12mm bolt for the one that's chewed up a little bit, but for now this is going to work fine. What's left here is reassembling this hood latch. Three 10mm bolts, get those snugged down, and you're done. I like making these videos to show how easy it is to do some of these things on your own, and of course to save a ton of money while doing it. I'll put links to items or tools that I've used below, and if you use my links, I will earn a whole 17 cents.